Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to hide a chat without deleting it on WhatsApp. To do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to WhatsApp and choose the chat that you want to hide without deleting it. And after that, long press on it. And as you can see, there will be an option called Lock Chat. Click on it. It will use your Face ID, and as you can see, the chat disappeared. And if you want to see it again, you have just to swipe down, and as you can see, you will see like here locked chats. Click on it. It will use your Face ID, and you will find your chat here. And if you want to get it out again, you have to long press on it and click on Unlock Chat, and the chat will be back again normally to the list of your chats. I hope that you like this video, and I hope that this video was useful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.